Very excited to be here and meet with other programs in the region.
I love that PAEA offers these opportunities.
The value from PAEA holding events like these is huge.
We are in Decatur, Georgia at the PAEA Regional Education Meeting. And we are on the campus of Agnes Scott College.
One of the advantages of coming to a regional meeting as opposed to the big education forum is this feeling of a close-knit camaraderie type feeling.
It is very relaxed. I get the same networking.
It's been pretty cool because it's just a lot more easy to connect. You're not in a sea of people.
Gathering with local colleagues, you kind of feel like you run into the same type of student problems. The South has a really close-knit culture, and it's easy to go ahead and share those experiences, to go ahead and work through issues like professionalism.
Education is not one size fits all, and to hear so many of my peers talk about how they do things and the different views they have, and you can't beat it.
This regional education meeting is really nice because I know that the folks who are here are my peers. It just feels a little easier to navigate. I've really had a good time so far.
I like how it's a little bit smaller because someone who's new to PA education, I see the different opportunities I get to learn, to be connected to different people, and I like how it's in my area. I live in Atlanta, so I love how it's in my neck of the woods.
I think PAEA strengthens the local community by holding events like this, bringing like-minded educators together, promoting collaboration, networking. I think they've done a really good job so far, and I look forward to seeing future events like this.
I think that no matter where you are in your career, I think that no matter where you live, if you have an opportunity to attend a regional education meeting, you should do it.